Welcome back. Linda Schwarz joins us today for Alex, who's busy guy. So Mom said, I'll come show you a recipe or two. Thanks for being with us,
That's right.
Linda.
Thank you for having me.
All right.
Thank
So what are we
you.
learning to make today?
We are making a banana salad.
Okay. When Alex told me what you were making, I go, it has banana and peanuts in
Yes, it's really strange. It's an old family recipe. My great aunt Dora's girls would bring it to the Stubendick get-together on Easter Sunday.
The what get-together?
Stubendick.
Stubendick get-together.
Yes,
Family
and
history.
it was my favorite food there, and so
Yeah.
a few years ago I thought, this is really stupid. I should be making this too every Easter.
There we go.
So I've
Very
started
nice.
to make it for Easter as well.
Okay,
Very
so
nice.
let's get started.
Okay, first of all, we need to make the sauce. A cup of water, and then I'll have you break an egg
Okay.
and slightly beat the egg.
I
A
can do
cup of
that.
sugar. I'll need a tablespoon of butter, 1/4 of a cup of vinegar, and then 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. You can also use flour. Oops, I made a mess.
Hey,
But
Want this in
I
there?
like cornstarch. Yes, put it all in. Everything goes in. Now I will tell you, I start out with everything cold. Sometimes the
Okay.
egg you'll see some white pieces of egg floating in it. You can take them out, you can keep them in, it's not going to hurt anything.
And it's not the shell. I got all the shell
Yeah,
out.
it's not the shell. And I'm thinking one of these times I'm going to temper it and see if that
Okay.
works.
Oh,
But
okay.
at this point, you just heat it all up and put it all together.
Does that beat too much or am I
No,
okay?
that's
Good
that's
work,
just
Carol.
fine. I've put it in
Yeah.
without beating it at all even.
Oh, okay.
But like I said, if you
Perfect.
don't want the little white, the white will sometimes cook.
and this is the
Okay.
sauce for the salad.
This is the sauce for the
Oh,
salad.
okay.
And that's all you do is you put these 6 things in here and you just heat it up until it starts thicking. You don't really
Okay.
want it to boil. That's
Okay.
when you'll see a lot of the white flecks in there.
So the
So-
cornstarch makes it thicker then,
Okay.
brings the thickness.
Yes.
But a
So-
cup of sugar.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
had a cup of sugar, an egg, and then what was
2
here?
tablespoons cornstarch.
Cornstarch, and then how much butter?
A tablespoon.
I was
and,
concentrating on beating my egg.
You
I
did a
didn't
good
hear
job
anything
too,
you
Carol.
said.
and a 1/4 of a cup of vinegar.
Oh,
want
okay.
the vinegar.
Oh. And what does the vinegar do? Just
Just
Taste
makes,
and-
it just adds to the flavor.
oh,
It's
this
a
is
sweet
good.
and tangy flavor, and then the peanuts add some salt to it.
Yes.
And the egg does.
I don't have a clue what the egg does. I was wondering that on the way down.
That's why
but,
it's a family secret
yeah.
Yeah.
recipe.
and like I said, I'll probably try to temper it sometime and see if I put it
Mm-hmm.
in later if it still works.
Mm-hmm.
But at this point, you just stir
go.
until it gets a little thick.
And if
Well-
it's worked all these years, it's
Exactly.
why change it, right?
Yeah, that's right.
the best thing.
Well, if you
Yeah.
think about it, I mean, at my house, I have all these ingredients at home.
I do too.
Yeah.
So if you have quick company or get invited to somebody's house, this would be a nice quick salad.
Yeah, and then bananas and peanuts, that's
Well,
all
yeah.
you need. So I suppose if you want to start cutting the bananas.
Can I do
slices-
that?
Ooh.
I'll do that during the break. We're going to finish
Okay.
this recipe up with Linda when we come back. Stay with us, friends.